Continue with chapter 5, arithmetic progression, exercise 5D. Question number 2. Here we have L, A, N, D, S, N. Some the LD give, some we still have to find. Like here we have L, N, and S, A. So that means L, N, and S, N already given. We have to find A and D. So we will use the given condition. Then we will start to get those values. L here stand for last term. You can write it with L or you can write with AN, because for us mainly we use AN. Now we have the last term L, that is AN, equal to A. We know the formula for general term, it is A plus N minus 1 whole D, which is still equal to 8. But N already given to be 8, so A and D, let them remain. In place of N we can put 8. So here 8 minus 1 will be 7. So we will get A plus 7D equal 8. That is equation 1. Then next we have S8 equal minus 20. So we can make use of another formula there. So formula S8 mean formula Sn, we know the last term, so we can use the next formula, that is n by 2 a plus last term, okay, which is still equal to minus 20. 8 we can divide by 2, 4. Here is in 2. If you take that side, become divide. Then this is plus, take the side, become minus. Both minus we have to plus, but sign remain minus. In order to get D, we can replace in equation 1. So A we know minus 13. Here there is no D, we can take it that side, become plus. Then we want D, 21 by 7 equal to 3. So the first term is minus 13, the common difference is 3. Then in the second one, they give us A, they give us L, they give us N. So we have to find D and Sn. So we know L, that means AN. Same way we can apply for general formula, A plus N minus 1 whole D, still equal to this one. Then N already given to be 51, so we can replace A, also already given, we can replace in place of A, in place of N. So this one has no alphabet, we take it that side, it's minus become plus. 51 and 1 both number we can minus, we get 50D. So here we have 1 plus 1 minus, we can minus, then we divide by 50. So now D we get equal to 30. Then we have to find Sn. Since we know the last term, we can use the next formula, that is n by 2a plus L. So n we know 51, we can replace wherever there is n with 51. A we know this much, then L also already known. Here both are minus, we have to plus, but sign remain minus. Then since it is fraction, 2 we can divide here. So after we divide, multiply with 51, then we get the sum to be this one. Then, so the common difference, we get it to be 30 as 51 equal this much. Okay, then we go on to the next question, number 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, they are similar, okay. We have the sequence 18, 16, 14. So if you see the difference is 2, 2, so that means they form an AP. Then also they give us the sum of those numbers here, it's equal to 0. We have to find how many terms. How many terms mean we have to find Sn. Sequence already given, Sn equal to 0. So we have to find n. Since we know the sequence and if we check they are AP, so we can write the first term, we can find the common difference, 16 minus 18, which is equal to minus 2. Then already given Sn to be 0. So we don't know the last term. Let us use the first form formula, n by 2 to a n minus 1 whole d still equal 0. This 2 we can transfer that side, 2 into 0 will become 0. A we know to be 18, we can replace 2 into 18. Then d we know here to be minus 2. Let's replace it. Then since here we have n, we have into, okay, we can transfer this side. Then 2 into 18, 36, minus to plus minus, 2 into n to n, minus to minus plus 2. 36 plus 2, 38, minus 2n. N into here can be either n0, this one. But if n is 0, then everything is 0, so we reject it. Then this one, minus take this side, n will be 38 by 2 equal to 19. So that means the number of terms which are needed to give sum 0 will be 19 of them. We continue to number 2. Number 2 also same. They give us the sequence minus 12, minus 9, minus 6, minus 3. If we minus them, we check the common difference, we find that it is same, which means they make an AP. So the first term will be minus 12. The common difference will be minus 12 minus 9 minus minus 12. It will be 3. Then again we have to find the number of term. But now the sum is not 0 anymore. The sum is 54. So we know the sum. We will use the formula for the sum only. First term we know common difference. Sn we know 54. We don't know the last term. So let us use the first form formula there. Okay. N we don't know. Let it be. Then A we know minus 12. Then n we don't know, let it be there. D we know 3. So 2 into minus 12 will be minus 24. 3 into n, 3 into minus 1. Then minus 24 minus 3, they have no n, we can add them together. Then here we can into n into 27 minus 27n, n into n, 3n square equal to this one. This 2 we can cross the other side. So 54 into 2 will be 108. We bring it one side. Here we see all are divisible by 3. So we divide by 3 to make the number smaller. We have n square, we have n 36. So definitely we will have to split middle term. The coefficient of n is square is 1. Constant term is 36. So we need to find two numbers. If multiply, we should get 36. Here we have minus sign. It will become 9. So we need to find out those numbers. 9 into 4, 36. 9 minus 4, we don't get 9. Then what else we have? 6 into 6, 36. 6 minus 6 will not be 9. So let's split 36. I can divide with 2. 2 into 18. 18 minus 2. Then we can do 2 into 9. No. 3 into 3. Then maybe 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3. 12. 12 minus 3, we have 9. So those two numbers are 12 and 3. So remove the bracket as usual. Minus, then minus to minus plus. Here we have only alphabet common. Then here 3 and 36, we can divide by 3. Take common 3. So we have plus, do or. When we count, we never count with minus. So we reject this. So that means the number of terms here required is minus 12. Take that side 12. So the number of terms which needed to keep the sum equal 54 will need around 12 numbers. Continue to number 3 the similar way. We have the sequence minus 6 minus 11 by 2 minus 5. So if we find a common difference here also, we see they are same. That means which they form AP. So the same way we have to find the numbers of terms when we plus, the sum come to be minus 25. So same way, write the first term, the second term, then we find the common difference. Once you have fraction, remember you have to find the LCM. LCM of 2 and 1 will be 2. 2 divide 2, 1. 1 into minus 11, minus 11. Here we have 2 minus, 1 from the formula, 1 from the question. So minus to minus become plus. 1 divide 2, we get 2. 2 into 6, 12. 12 minus 11, we get 1 by 2. Then now we have Sn equal to minus 25. So we know the formula for Sn. We don't know the last term, so we can apply the first one. Okay, this 2 we can transfer that side. So divide, transfer that side, become divide. Then A we know, we replace. D we know, we replace. So 2 into minus 6, we have minus 12. Then 1 into half into 1, half into n. We have fraction, we find LCM. Here it is 1. So LCM of 1 and 2 will be 2. 1 divide 2, 2. 2 into minus 12, minus 24. 2 divide 2, 1. 1 into n, n. 2 divide 2, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Then this 2 again, we can transfer this side. 2 into 50 will be 100. Minus 24 minus 1, both minus, so minus 25. Then n we into inside. So n square minus 25, this is minus, take this side, become plus. We can split middle term again. If we multiply, we get 100. If plus 25, so 10 into 10 will not be. Then 25, 20 plus 5, we get 25. 20 into 5, we get 100. So those two needed number are 20 and 5. Remove the bracket, multiply the sign inside. Here only alphabet, take common only alphabet. Here 100 we can divide by 5, so we take common. Then minus to plus here become minus. So that means here we get the number of terms, both are possible. So the number of terms, they are 5 and 20. Those.